whenever you're ready.
Right. Hi, Dane here from the Fruit Salad Trees. Just going to give you a couple of pointers for some autumn care points. We'll start off with the stone fruit trees here. They're deciduous. They're going to start dropping their leaves and everything's going to yellow, and don't worry about that. That's just a natural thing that happens. The apple will do the same thing. Our ones haven't turned just yet, but they will soon. And the most important thing that you want to look out for now is we've had a big hot summer and lots of things would be growing, and now things could be out of balance. So I've got 3 examples here, out of balance trees. This first one's a stone fruit one. Get these icky tears out. So you want to just try and cut it back, even it up, and look at the size difference. You can see your grafts with the white marks, and I sort of want to like cut this branch probably about here. If I was to cut here like that, that branch will then continue in this direction. It's a bit more balanced of a tree. Also check for your rootstock. This is all rootstock coming from the roots. Get rid of all that. You don't want any rootstock growing. Comes to the apple, same deal. Check for balance. One's obviously bigger. Look for an outward growing bud, which probably in this case is around about maybe here, like that. Now they're looking even, and same thing, we've got rootstock here coming from the base of the tree where there's no graft scar mark. We've got another one here, get rid of that. And also we've had a shoot from a bud that had taken but didn't decide to grow. If you want to take that as a free bud, you can, but it's always going to be behind. So we would suggest that you just cut that off, and you've got your 2 that you've bought and purchased. Now there's citrus, same thing. Look, we're out of balance again. So I'll probably look at doing, this is a bit thicker, this one. I'll cut that there. And same thing, we've got this rootstock. This is 3-prong, spiky little branches, knock them off. And same thing here, we've got another little mandarin that's come and shot. It's never going to really survive, so just get rid of it too. Last thing, citrus, leaf miner, creates this ugly leaves. They're all warped and misshaped. You can buy a spray from your local Bunnings or nursery for that. It's called leaf miner. It's really active in autumn, so get onto it now, otherwise it's going to look pretty ugly. You can remove the leaves. Just remove the leaves that are damaged if you've already got it, and then as soon as it has another growth spurt, you brand new leaves. And that's it for your autumn care points.
Done.